Before we move on from lists, let's look at two operations which rearrange the elements in place, reversing and sorting. A list can be reversed in place simply by calling its reverse method. Similarly, a list can be sorted in place using the sort method. The sort method accepts two optional arguments, key and reverse. The latter is self-explanatory, and when set to true, gives a descending sort. The key parameter is more interesting. It accepts any callable object, which is then used to extract a key from each item. The items will then be sorted according to the relative ordering of these keys. There are several types of callable object in Python, although the only one we have encountered so far is the humble function. For example, the built-in len function is a callable object, which is used to determine the length of a collection, such as a string. Consider the following list of words. Not perplexing do handwriting family where I illegibly know doctors. By passing a reference to the len function as the key argument to the sort method of the h list, we can order these words in order of length. Again, we can join the list of words back together with a call to the join operator on a space separator, giving the almost sentence, I do not know where family doctors illegibly perplexing handwriting. Sometimes an in situ sort or reversal is not what is required. For example, it may cause a function argument to be modified, giving the function confusing side effects which it would not otherwise have. For out-of-place equivalents of the reverse and sort list methods, you can use the reversed and sorted built-in functions, which return a reverse iterator and a new sorted list respectively. Here we use sorted to sort a list of numbers x, which returns a new list y. Notice that the original list x is unmodified. Here we use reversed to reverse a list of numbers p. Notice how we need to use the list constructor to evaluate the result of reversed. This is because reversed returns an iterator, a topic we'll cover in much more detail later. These two functions have the advantage that they'll work on any finite length iterable source object. We've learned a lot about lists in this section, together with some more general techniques such as slicing that can be used with other sequences including tuples and strings. Let's move on and look at the next collection type.